In Pakistan, if a part can take a weld, the mechanics will revive it. If it's weldable, it's no problem whatsoever. Heavy overload snapped this truck's steering knuckle. New parts aren't available soon. The owner could only come to this repair shop for overhaul and repair work. Before repair, the technician uses an angle grinder to cut the piece joining the brake. Only then can he fully remove attached grind. After cutting enough, the mechanic used a hammer, lightly tapping until steering knuckle split in two. After the steering knuckle split in two, the mechanic carefully wiped off grind. Wire wheel. Grind gone. Polished. Knuckle restored. Just beginning. To strengthen the next weld, the worker used a grinder on the fracture, smoothing the joint into a flat face. This process makes weld stronger and the repaired steering knuckle tougher. During grinding, sparks flew, yet the mechanic wore no protection. But this didn't affect his work pace at all. With skilled hands, he quickly ground both sides of the joint to the required shape. To be safe, after grinding, the mechanic skipped welding. He knocked out the kingpin bushing to inspect. The technician found slight deformation at the bushing head, brought it to the lathe, and carefully turned the damaged area until its original shape was restored. After machining, reinsert the bushing and inspect if all's good, then seat it back with a hammer. Only with the bushing hammered back in can the steering knuckle halves join. To ensure weld accuracy, the technician taps the vertical shaft back into position as an anchor, providing stable support for the welding. To keep spatter off the vertical shaft, the technician first tack welded to set the position, ensuring the seam was accurate and preventing unnecessary movement. Tack. Pull kingpin. Welding's exacting. For a 30-year pro, easy. Precise. Powerful welding. Seamless. No trace weld. To refine the steering knuckles look, the mechanic again used an angle grinder, smoothing excess welds and restoring profile so it aligns cleanly and integrates with components. Fixed. So, what do you all think of this mechanic's repair skills?